Guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Essie Velma and thank you so much for stepping into this video. Guys, how are you all doing? As for me and my house, we are doing fantastic, all thanks to God. Guys, happy new month, happy holiday. Today has been that day. We just chill in the house, but the good thing is today the sun came out and have enjoyed this day. Then today I went to the market. I did some grocery stock up and some few things that we needed, so I did that, but I did not vlog because I don't know by the way I did not vlog, but it's okay. It is what it is. So after 5 months of staying in this house, I really didn't want to install internet in this house because I was not sure if I really want it, but it has come to attention. I use quite a lot of bundles anytime I'm home, or even in the evening when I come back from work, because I want to be updated. I want to go to Instagram, see people. I want to catch up with my favorite YouTubers, and sometimes I'm not in a position to. I want to catch up with my boo-boo because you know, so Naila wants to watch some cartoons. She can't watch because sometimes I don't have bundles, you see. So I just felt like, I feel it's high time I install this internet. Something else, Safaricom fiber is not yet in this area. I really wanted something fast, and then I was like, why do I want something fast? I don't work from home, so I'll just need something. Wacha niseme kabishti yangu anasemanga kitu ya kuwatch, kuview status. So the people are here, and yes, so please subscribe, like, share, leave a nice comment, and like. See how this one is going to be. My last experience with those people who had installed my internet in the previous car. Wow, car, yes, God, oh Lord, yes, I'm ready for that car. Ooh. Anyway, I guess they're here. So tunaitoa nini? Yeah, tunaitoa nini? YouTube. Guys, I have finally I want to install Wi-Fi in this house of mine. Have been really wanting to, because Wi-Fi is good. Wi-Fi is good. When you have some internet in your house, it's fine. So the guys are here. They have gone up to install some wires or something, and then now they come to the house and finish up with the installing and everything. So they're just here chilling, and my trouser have turned idselo fu. I'm growing big. Yes. I'm growing big. Yes. Yes, as we watch cartoon. We're watching cartoon. Which cartoon is that, Naila? Baby Shark. To enjoy. Yes, guys, so that's what's up.
Let's assume you turn it for him. Atakanyaga kiti yako kidogo eh?
Sawa.
Alright. Uniambia jina lako ni?
Mwangi.
Mwangi. I'm just joking, Mwangi. Okay. Na pahali hii ingine utaona haijaklipiwa, hata hii ingine uklip eh? Hata hii ingine pia iende juu eh? Sasa ukifika kwa mbao, utapiga juu ya mbao pole pole.
Haina shida.
Afadhali uweke baadaye.
Yeah. You're having hiccups. Kunywa maji.
Yeah.
How much was it per month?
Imekuwa 1500 tu. Imekuwa 1500. Ni kitu ina change ni 15.
Our internet has been installed. Tell me, maybe I have never used Poa before. So this is how this thing look like. It's so tiny, so small. And they have told me that they have upgraded from 4 to 5 Mbps. So hoping the speed is going to be speeding the way it's supposed to be. And yes, so we have opted for it to stay there. Yes, kwa sababu like that. You want? So guys, acheni niweke hapo 1 minute. I want to put some snacks for my baby. Ile mbio nila nilipatikanga. I want snacks. I want this. I want that. Oops. Hey, that's a lot. You go eat with auntie.
Okay.
Okay. The light in here is so good. Give auntie many, not two. So guys, as I was telling you, poleni yake niko na mihango mingi badala ni sorry. Okay. So guys, as you all have seen the process, and I really want to catch up with my favorite YouTubers because now I have the internet. Second, bye to bundles, guys. I used to use really a lot of bundles on a daily basis, so at least what is remaining, guys, you just keep it here. I want to buy something, just keep it here. And yes, we see if it's going to be anytime soon, but I'm praying to God it's going to be soon and very soon, because guys, I work so hard, and I know God always blesses the work of my hands. So my target this month of May is to buy quite a number of things. God, please help me. So we are pushing on. Imwezi, we are pushing on. I have to meet my target. I have to buy some few things here and there, because I deserve it. I deserve the best. I'm just excited. I'm just excited about everything, about myself, how things are turning out, and yes, guys. So that's all for this video. This video is just a little chit chat as we install internet into our new house. So yes, guys, so thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and to everyone who shares my content, feel appreciated. I really thank God for you. And also to you, my silent viewers, those people who tell me something and I'm like, why? Oh, then I remember, guys, I have another life on YouTube. So thank you so much. So let me go indulge, and I'll see you on another one. Bye.